Today marks 100 days of President Donald Trump's second term in office. The president calls it 100 very special days. One of his major goals since Inauguration Day back in January, the upending of global trade and imposing tariffs on countries around the globe. He says it's to bring more money, fairness, and prosperity into America. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
President Trump's trade and tariff plan has been both praised and criticized. He says very soon the U.S. will be making a fortune. He adds that the economy is doing great. And on his way to Michigan today, he told reporters this regarding India.
India's coming along great. I think we'll have a deal with India. The Prime Minister, as you know, was here 3 weeks ago, and they want to make a deal. We'll see what happens.
Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt tells reporters this has truly been the most historic start to a presidency in American history.
After building the greatest economy in the world in his first term as president, President Trump is in the process of doing that all over again. The American people trust in President Trump.
And the Trump administration trusts in tariffs, believing they will bring back American manufacturing and generate substantial revenues. Along with Leavitt in the briefing room, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent.
And the actual data has been quite good. The job data is good. Americans keep spending. And as Caroline said, we have these incredible commitments to bring manufacturing back on shore with record investment by domestic corporations and foreigners who want to come into the U.S.
The Trump administration raised tariffs on goods from China to 145% in early April.
Remember that we are the deficit country. They sell almost 5 times more goods to us than we sell to them. So the onus will be on them to take off these tariffs. They're unsustainable for them.
China's leaders downplay the potential impact.
他们凭空作牌。
They say they have the capacity to protect jobs and limit damage from higher tariffs. Meanwhile, Americans' confidence in the economy now at the lowest level since the onset of COVID-19, as worries about the impact of tariffs take a heavy toll on consumer expectations for future growth. Leavitt says her boss is America's businessman-in-chief.
And that's why these trillions of dollars in investments are flooding to our country. The business community is bullish on America because President Trump is back in charge.
And on this day 100, tonight, President Trump is holding a rally in Michigan, his largest public event since winning back the Oval Office. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.